Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to display the unknown vessels in the Marine Radar application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. At the left side on the screen, go to the filter icon under the stars button, and in the vessel type section you can find the last option, the unknown, and just click to the white square icon and new the unknown vessels and ships is displayed on your map. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.